Hi, everyone. I'm Steve, here again with Rob Greenwood. You might know by now he's our training director at Fitness for 10 in Sparks, Nevada. Thanks for being with us, Rob.
Hey, thanks for having me, Steve.
Let's talk about cardio today. When do you recommend it? How much do you recommend? Depending on someone's goals. And I'll give you an example of goals. We'll say these are my goals again. I'm going to make myself younger than I am this time. I'm going to make myself 50. And I'm kind of a beginner maybe to an intermediate. And my goals are I want to put some lean tissue on. I want to burn some body fat. And I want to get healthier. So, how would you incorporate cardio? How many days a week? And let's say I'm committed to 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. I'll be in the gym, and I want to do it all in the gym. Let's say it's winter time, so I can't really walk outside or ride my bike. So I'm going to be in the gym Monday through Friday, and those are my goals. I want to try and put a little lean tissue on if I can. I want to get healthier, and I want to lose maybe 15 pounds of body fat. Tell me how you would incorporate cardio into that.
All right, so very important not to cut into the muscle you're trying to building or you have. So I'm going to look for your target heart rate. I'm going to do 220 is the formula. 220 minus you said your age was 50.
Yeah.
170. Your target heart rate should be about 119 for cardio to burn fat. That's going to keep you at a slower pace. Not have your heart rate too high. As you know, heart rate goes too high, we don't pick what comes off, fat or muscle. So that's going to keep us
Now,
at a place.
let me just say that's like a stroll in the park for me because I can get my heart rate up to 119. But the formula, obviously, everyone has your age built into it. If they're younger, just by plugging in that formula, their heart rate is going to be higher for their cardio. So go ahead.
Yeah, and you hit a good spot there. I usually like to say, between 30 and 60, I'll throw about the number 130 out there. That's not by the book to how to get it, but like you said, I believe you could handle 130 just knowing you like I do. So you'll find the 220 minus your age, 70% of that is where your target heart rate by the book should be to burn fat and not muscle. I would say, are you working out 5 days a week or in the gym 5 days a week? Because on a high intense
Yeah.
day, I keep
I,
you 20
I
minutes.
want to be in the gym 5 days a week. I'm handing it off to you. You tell me what to do. You tell me if you're going to have me on a full body workout Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I do cardio Tuesday, Thursday, or whatever. I'm committing an hour 5 days a week.
Awesome. I'd probably start you on a full body workout Tuesday, Thursday, just to get us moving. Cardio Monday, Wednesday, Friday. The days we're not working out, I'm going to have you between 30 minutes and an hour. The days we are working out, I'm going to have you between 20 and 30 minutes. Say if we're doing 30 minutes, I want you at the target heart rate to burn fat for at least 20 minutes if we're doing 30. I also want to create great longevity and have a strong, healthy heart. So we might do intervals. We might sprint for a little bit in that 10 minutes, but we also want to create a healthy heart and rev it up as high as we can for 20 to 30% of our cardio workout at the same time, too. It's important to have a healthy heart, be lean and be strong in the gym, too. So we got to hit both sides.
And now my age is really 61, which would mean that my heart rate would be even lower than 120. But again, everyone's different, right?
Correct.
Looks like you're figuring it out.
Yeah, it would have you at 111 for there, so you would just get the feel from it between there and 130. You don't want to go too fast for the fat burning purpose, you just want to be slow and steady.
And that will be effective. Getting your heart rate up to 110 just by walking or whatever, for 30 minutes, that will be effective. Even though it's pretty easy, don't think that it's not going to have a positive benefit, right?
Correct. You never see any, real fit people who are into muscle building muscle, lean muscle, running too fast on the treadmill. They're afraid to lose it. And we want to do everything we can to hold muscle and not burn it. Unless running is your hobby, I always suggest that slow to steady race.
All right, that's a great way to incorporate cardio for the goals that I gave you. Of course, everyone's different. If you have different goals, that might be modified by your trainer if you have one, or by you if you're doing it on your own. So, Rob, if somebody wants to follow you or get in touch with you, you can always leave questions in the comment section here. But if they want to follow you, how do they get a hold of you?
Yeah, definitely you can find me in Sparks at Fitness for 10. If you're not local, not in the area, you can find me on Instagram, TikTok, anywhere basically with a handle. It's going to be trained by Rob.
All right, everybody. That's how you get a hold of Rob. Rob, thanks for being with us. Thanks for your input.
Hey, thanks for having me, Steve.